Guys, welcome back to Cooking Easy with Feezy, and today we're going to be making may yet Tiem. I'm going to show you how to break down that freaking duck, okay? Okay, first things first, what I'll do is I'll remove the legs. Oh, see how soft that was? Just comes right off. Some excess juice in there. I am using a deboning knife today. That's it. Ooh, that nice clean piece off, okay? And then, we'll just leave that, put one more piece in there. Do the other same to the other side. There you go. Around the oyster. Pop it out. There should be like a natural separation joint right here. Boom. Just like that, okay guys? Another clean piece. Looking juicy. Okay, next we take off the wings. Find a natural separation point. Cut right through. Okay, clean part. Do the other side. Oh, it's hot still. Okay. Next, I will remove the tail. And now we're just gonna debone it right off the carcass. Cut down the middle like that. Okay. Straight off the bone. Rest. Here is using the wishbone right here, okay, on the top of here. The wishbone. Yeah, pretty much that's it, guys. Here, we have the carcass. I'm just gonna snap it in half. Cut down the middle. Put in the bowl, the other bones. Boom, just like that. Okay, that's it. Nice clean pieces. There you go. Okay guys, so we have a pot here. Add just a teeny bit of oil in there, and we're gonna sear some of the duck bones to make the broth, okay? To make a duck broth for the soup. Okay guys, now we're gonna sear the bones. Okay. Blanch some bok choys. Throw in your hot water, guys. Blanch it. Okay. Add cold water, okay? When you make stocks, you always have to use cold water. Hey guys, so the bok choy is boiled. Now I'm gonna dump it out. Holy fuck, sorry. Okay. Dump it out. Okay. Okay guys, now we're gonna skim the broth for impurities, okay? You see all this foam on top? In order for you to get a clear broth, you gotta skim all that off, eh? It's just like, you know, unnecessary proteins that you don't want. And you just scoop it out of that. We're gonna do this a few times, okay? Probably like 3 times. Okay, now we're gonna add the shiitake mushrooms. Okay. What I did with them is I cut them in half and I took off some of the stem, okay? Now we're gonna throw it into the broth. So I let the broth simmer for about like 30 minutes. Now we're gonna remove the bones, okay? Remove the bones from the stock. Just remove the bones. Oh shoot. We are going to do the noodles. Okay. Put the noodles in there. Okay, you don't want to put the noodles in there for too long because you want a little bit of a bite, a little texture on it, right? A little texture on it, just a little bit longer. Okay, just like that. Okay, guys, I'll show you how to dress it up, okay? Just a little bit of this at the bottom. Duck leg. Okay. Now we're getting the broth. So the broth, I'm gonna add some of that duck sauce. Okay. Add it to the broth. Okay. Some more, okay. More of that duck sauce. Bring that to a boil a little bit, and we'll check it for seasoning. Guys, I just tasted the broth and I just checked it for seasoning. Oh my god, it's fucking delicious. Okay, yeah. Another sip. Oh my, the broth is nice and hot. We're gonna ladle it into our soup, okay? Oh, look at that broth. The pretty alright guy trying the duck noodle soup. Damn man, that looks good. Try the broth. Oh, see, juicy. Pretty good. It's a pretty alright guy. Alright, stay tuned for more content on Cooking Easy with Feezy. Yay! Shit's juicy.